All right, go back to my channel. Now here we are going to use 3D modeling to make the construction of this object. So we have also used isometric drafting to make the construction of this object. So we are going to use 3D modeling to make it now. So as we can see here, we are going to make the top face, then we extrude it by 30. So as we have that, so total length from this end to this end here is 80. So then distance from here to here is 60. So from here to here is 30. From here to here is 10. Then going by this way from here to here is 35. From here to here is 10. So from here to here is 5. And then so this is 45. And then so the rest will be 35 to the end here. So we are going to produce the top face, then we extrude it by 30. Then we make this top part or this one, then we join it together with this. So and that will be all. So let's change to another color. So color. Okay. So let's select this yellow color. Okay, so so we come to polyline. I think we are still making use of the top. So if I'm to check, so this is top face. So let's leave it like that. Okay. So now, so we click on polyline. So then we start like this. So this is all right. So this is so 40. So this is 40. Then so we go by 60. Then it goes in by 30. Then it will come out here by 20. Then it goes in here by 10. Then so we go by 35. So it goes in by 5. Then by 10, then by 5 again. Then so you can just type C close. So that's all. So then we are going to extrude this object. So you just click on the extrude command, then click on this, select it, then enter. So then we extrude it by 15. So I need to go back. So we extrude again, select it, so enter. So we enter 30. So enter. Okay, so we have extruded it. It's as simple as that. So we have created this part. So what we need to do now is to create this part and place it here. So let's do that. So so how do we do that? So we are going to create this square and extrude it by 25. So that's what we are going to do. So click on polyline. So we make this. So this is 20 by 20. So then by 20 again. Then so we close it here. So enter. So we are going to extrude it. So click on extrude command. Then we select it, then enter. So all right, so we extrude it again. So the height is 25, enter. All right, so what we are going to do now is to join this. Okay, so let's change this to the view to 2D wireframe. Okay, so this corner here. So we are going to connect with this corner. So what we need to do is to enter a command that is move. So click on this. So right click, then so we join these corners together. That's it. So we have placed it there. So let's change the view to realistic. So this is it. So then we are going to join these two So we unionize them. So we come to solid editing. So select union. So select these two objects. Right click. So that's it. So you have done them together as simple as I've done it here. So this is how you can make this object. So using 3D modeling. So thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.